let's see what's new. I'm sitting on a colossal piece of junk that runs. This isn't a weekly what's new. It's just me talking about what's going on in my garage. I had a minor gas leak on this thing, which made my garage smell like an entire petroleum plant. What else? It's it's a Honda Big Red 200. It's a Honda Big Red 250 ES. This one, it's an 86, but it's got a 200 ES front forks. I threw the fenders outside. It's basically a hodgepodge of a bike that has a working headlight, good battery, and the rest is of questionable material. I think the starter is messed too. But what am I gonna do with it? I'm taking the engine out, putting it on this one. My camera is attached to the handlebars of a Big Red, so I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe it's got the same handlebars. I don't know. Maybe you can use it. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Like, they jacked the Big Red wiring harness into a. I don't know. I'm not gonna play with the wiring. So, with that said, what I'm doing tonight is I'll take the camera. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll work on it. I'll just show you after. I'm not gonna. Maybe I'll just record a little bit and then just high speed it for a couple seconds to show you. But I'm trying to instead of redo the whole frame like that one and just put it all back, which I probably should do, but I don't wanna. It's just, I mean, I don't know. It'd probably be easier to just take the bike apart and send it out, get blasted and bring it back. It really would, but I don't want to go through the hassle of trying to get the damn wiring harness back on the thing. So I don't know. I haven't decided. Plus, it's already here, so I'm thinking I'll just clean it up a little on the spots that I want to clean up. I'm gonna paint over. I'm gonna basically wire brush over the rust, put some zinc oxide primer, and basically just spot paint it, because it's not the whole bike, and I want to drive it. I'm not trying to create a fine-tuned, like, excellent little crazy perfectly good motorcycle. So I just want to run the damn thing. So I'm gonna start. I also want to get on wheels so I can roll it around, work on that. So that's my goal for tonight, to do some of the back. I gotta figure out how to flip it back around so I can work on it on this side. Right now it's sitting on 2 tires and an old metal stand that I used to use for hand sanitizer during that COVID shit. So I'll see. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a probably something with 2 hooks, an adjustable front with 2 hooks, put a bar maybe on some wheels, and put another little, like almost like a gun rack, but something I can hook it in probably under the front forks and on the back with a wider thing so it doesn't wobble. The other option is but I also want to make it adjustable so I can make it. I want to make it so it's about maybe chest height, and I can upper and lower it. Just a pin, nothing fancy. I have what do you call it, a couple of steel rods, a couple of options. Might require me to do some welding, so I might do a couple of little welding videos with it. Just so I can get that one, because once if I use that and get it, if I can make a holder for that one, then I can use it on that one, get it going. And if I can hold it up without the front wheels and just leave the rear swing arm and the forks on, I can then, I don't know, it might work, might not. And if I make it removable, I can then quite possibly put the front end on, put the wheel on and pop it off, and just have something to hold the back up. So I decided. I realize there's a few little parts I gotta get. Pretty sure if you're watching my channel, you're sick of looking at Hondas. You want to see me do something else, or you want to see me do some work. I don't know. I don't know what you joined the channel for, but I made the channel so I can have some fun. So, and it smelled. Oh, and plus this thing was leaking gas, and my garage smells like a freaking petroleum field. So, with that said, I'll commence with the working on the bike. So, stay tuned. Keep eye on it, and I will show you. Just keep watching. I'm gonna edit this in.